Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer your Stellar cryptocurrency from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges for better features, lower fees, or just diversifying your crypto holdings, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Stellar, or XLM, is a popular digital asset for fast and low-cost transactions, and moving it between exchanges like Bitrue and Binance is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Binance. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Stellar balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network. Stellar transactions typically use the Stellar network, so ensure it's selected to avoid any errors. Next, head over to your Binance account and go to the Wallet section. Select Deposit for Stellar and copy the deposit address provided. This address is unique to your Binance wallet, so don't share it with anyone. Now, back on Bitrue, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, usually around 0.1 XLM or whatever Bitrue specifies at the time. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including fees. Withdrawal fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're ready, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the Stellar has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, contact the support teams on both platforms. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and never transfer to the wrong address. There you have it. That's how you transfer Stellar from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. It's a simple process that can save you time and money. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.